What's this whole noise about no sex before marriage? How can anyone say that someone should not indulge in sexual activity with someone who has already proposed? I mean, I don't understand. The proponents of this whole wicked agenda of no sex before marriage must be completely out of their minds. Yes, if they are not out of their minds, how can they recommend such a wicked thing? Okay, let me ask this question. How do I get to know if my intended is good in bed? I think I know the answer. I know the answer to the wickedness that lies in the heart of these proponents of this wicked principle. They are castrated eunuchs. They are eunuchs and frigid females. Yes. If they are not eunuchs and frigid females, how can they want to impose their dryness, their dry life upon the lives of others? Oh yes, you know what? I think their libido is dead. Yes, their sex drive has gone down to zero. That is why they will say that we that are hot-blooded, should be like them. But we can't be like them. How can they think we can be like them? Not to have sex with someone that I'm completely and sexually attracted to? I mean, someone has already proposed to marry me. I have proposed to marry a lady, and someone say I should not get to know her. No, something is definitely wrong with these people. They are not of this world, because if they are of this world, they will understand that it is not easy to stay.
Auntie Eucharia, sorry, mommy, Auntie Eucharia, good evening, ma. How's your ministry? Ma, you're blessed. You're blessed, ma. Ma, just let me greet you because of this thing you just said in your video. So first of all, I think it's sarcasm. You know me now, right? Now sarcasm. You know me now. No, I know you. You are upright in your values, and I'm sure you were joking about what you just said. So let me agree. But in case you are not joking and you mean it, let me say that I am shocked. I am poked. I am provoked internally from a value point of view. First of all, sex now anybody right. Nothing, you can have sex morning, day, night, it's your business. Concern anybody. But coming out in public to impose your thoughts about sex to the larger public and the younger ones really come up. Now where may I get problem? Now, sex in itself with person will be your partner. Now, sin. Now, don't get me wrong. Sex no be bad thing. Now your choice. If you want to do it with your husband, your boyfriend, to impose your thoughts about sex to the larger public and the younger ones really come up. Now where may I get problem? Now, sex in itself with person will be your partner. Now, sin. Now, don't get me wrong. Sex no be bad thing. Now your choice. If you want to do it with your husband, your boyfriend, your neighbor, your classmates, now your choice. But keep your choice and your opinion to yourself. No go come online. Come they make them look like say premarital sex. That pray there, that pray. It shows that it's not yet time. Somebody made that word pray. Premarital. It's not marital. Pre means say is a pray. It's a preamble. So you go wait make your time great, make you feel do am. So when it's pre, it's like pre-customary. It's like pre. You understand? Once it's pre, it means say you're not really supposed to be when it be. Well, so until you get that, well done. Is your opinion. I can't really say much about it, but personally, I think that as a young growing adult, I know say sex now waiting if you grow to do, you go do. But if we're seeing it from the place of value, and Christianity, which is of course, where you're coming from, I think that premarital sex, the right premarital sex, with the ask question if they are sane or not be sane. Because this is what they're going to want to go say to keep person a hobby. Once you just get bored, just kill somebody. No be sin to kill. It's okay, but don't now impose it on us on the general platform. Your sex is your sex. It's your thing. Do it. We feel no see you. Now you and God know. But no come force your sex on us to please say your premarital sex on our own. No, it's your pre. My pre is my pre. Good evening, ma.